Say, hi guys, I'm cleaning the house. Don't put that in your mouth. It's dirty. Thank you. Say, hi daddy. Dada. Dada. What about mama? Say, mom. Yeah. You're a troublemaker. You just helping mama clean the house? No, don't put that one in your mouth. You helping mama clean the house? Thank you. Thank you. He's worse than a dog. He wants to put every shoe in his mouth. Grayson. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.